In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recover deleted contacts on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your Settings app. Now, head over to your Apple ID, click on the option iCloud, click on Show All. Now, from the list of apps using iCloud, enable Contacts. Once you do that, hit back. If your contacts were previously backed up to iCloud, there is a good chance they may still be stored there even if they were removed from your device. This will resync any contacts still stored in iCloud back onto your phone. If that does not solve it, the next step is to check whether your contacts were synced from your Gmail account. For that, go back to the main page of Settings, navigate to the option Mail, click on the option Accounts. Now click on Gmail. Turn on contacts to restore anything synced through Google. If the contacts were deleted directly from Gmail, open a web browser, go to Google, click the app icon in the top right corner and open Google Contacts. Tap the three lines in the top left and go to Bin, and you will find deleted contacts stored here. Simply select the ones you want to recover them. And that's it. This way you can recover deleted contacts on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.